about the performance of the candidates in this particular event. First, I would like to call Professor Dr. Datta Kamkar sir. Datta Kamkar sir.
Hello sir, good evening, good afternoon. Can you hear me sir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay.
Very much.
Okay. Good afternoon one and all. My dear colleagues, friends, learners online. These are the days of conducting events, activities, functions online. So therefore I address you people as friends, colleagues and learners online. It's a happy moment for me to join this particular event for many reasons. One of the reasons is my association with Lingaraj College is very close and I have good friends in that particular college. Before I talk about competition and the theme, I would like to congratulate the event organizers, especially Dr. Selly sir, Professor Vinayak and other colleagues who have contributed valuable service in organizing this particular event. This is a good initiative by the Department of Geography. There is a lot of hard work behind this particular event. For last 2 weeks, Dr. Selly sir is in touch with me in connection with this particular competition. This competition has been announced as poster making competition. In fact, in the same competition, another competition is also conducted. That is speech competition. So I would like to say, in one particular function, you have conducted 2 events. One is poster making and the second one is speech competition. If you can claim it in your records, it may not be a wrong one. The event is well organized, well coordinated by the technicians and the staff. And I like it very much. I'm impressed by the initiatives undertaken by the department and the college. Now, when it comes to about competition and competitors, the competitors are far ahead of the time and the thinking, as far as their thinking is concerned. They have brought a wonderful message in the poster about the environment. You have caught the gist of the topic and presented on paper. It is very difficult to imagine the suggestions, the remedies to the problems created by human being on this particular planet. When I went through each and every poster made by you people, I just moved by the way you people have presented. Composition-wise, creativity-wise, presentation-wise, the division of the space, and the impact and influence of your work is long-lasting. There are some works worth preserving. You have put your emotions, your feelings while making this particular poster, and that has appealed me a lot. The learners, especially the learners, I don't know what to say. You people deserve lots of applause. Now, only doing poster or giving a speech is not enough. What is more important is we need to execute those ideas into reality. Slowly, if not fast, slowly we need to execute 1 or 2 ideas of your posters, your speech in reality one by one. The theme is a burning topic. It is more serious than any other topic that the globe is facing. World Environment Day. It is a day we are celebrating. This day should not have come in our life to celebrate. I mean to say that we must have been so friendly, so eco-friendly, environment friendly before reaching this particular stage. When we reach the stage of celebration, meaning is that there is a need to rethink, redo. It means we have done some mistake, we have done some errors, and therefore we add redo, rethink, and all those things. Today's theme on this particular day is ecosystem restoration, reimagination, and recreation. We have added re before the original word. Restoration, recreation, and reimagination. These three words are the part and parcel of today's theme, which is celebrated in the name of World Environment Day. And the host country is our neighboring country, that is Pakistan. We have hosted this particular day in the year 2018. And the theme was Beat Plastic Pollution. So looking at all these things, I feel there is a need of action, effective action at global level, at national level, at individual level. So it's a very concerned topic. If we do not take care of environment in which we are living, we will definitely spoil the environment or the world in which we are living. One of the participants has rightly highlighted that pandemic, coronavirus, is like vaccination for other creatures and poison for human being. It's a good thought, creative thought. It is a lateral thinking. Sometimes I feel with the same speaker that coronavirus is vaccination for all other creatures and a deadly disease, virus for human beings. The most cruel, if I use this word, hope my staff, colleagues will pardon me, the most cruel creature on this earth is human being. He has spoiled the environment, he has spoiled the ecology, he has spoiled the cell, he has spoiled so many beautiful things in search of success, in search of money, in search of material happiness, in search of whatnot. He has spoiled the environment. He is spoiling his own future. As a human being, we are supposed to take care of each and every creature which is there in the system. So with these few words, I would like to thank Principal of the college, Dr. B.M. Tejasvi sir, Dr. Seli sir, my best friend Vinayak Lokpur, Vinayak sir is there, and all others for having given me an opportunity to express my views online. Once again, thank you, the learners, my friends, and my colleagues for having given me an opportunity.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. You spoke
Thank
very
you,
well.
Datta
You
Kamkar,
spoke very well. You spoke very well on ecological balances, sir.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
You have treated human beings as more viral than
Yes, sir.
the deadly disease which
Yes,
is
sir.
spreading.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Datta Kamkar, sir, for your kind words and also highlighting the work of the students, which all they have done the creative work that also you have highlighted. With these words, again, I would like to call the one more judge, Professor Sangamesh Gujigonda, sir. Professor Sangamesh Gujigonda, sir.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತದೆ.
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Respected Principal Tejasvi sir, Dr. Shelly sir, Professor Mulimani sir, Dr. Mallana sir, and dear participant of this event. At the outset, I would like to appreciate and giving sincere thanks to this program organizers, especially Principal sir, Shelly sir, and faculty member of the Geography department. Really, this is one of the important program held during this pandemic period, which creates environment awareness among the students community. Already Datta sir said about the organization and the importance of this environment day. As far as event is concerned, all the 37 entries, that is all the students who have participated in this event, are sincerely tried to their level best for the implementation of the goal of this year's environment day, that is ecosystem restoration. In the judgment, 10 posters came to the final round, and in this presentation again 3 have been selected. That they have been selected in the marginal difference only. That is one of the important point. All the 10 posters are good, beautiful, and much impressive in respect of theme, composition, and creativity. I appreciate and congratulate all the participants and the winners of this program, and request the participant to continue to love this environment as you have impressed in your pictures and in your speech. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಾತೊಂದಿದೆ. ಇಡೀ ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗ್ರಹ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಒಂದೇ, ಇರುವುದೊಂದೇ ಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವತ್ತು ಅರಿತುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಸಂರಚನೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ರಚನೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂಕೀರ್ಣವಾಗ್ಯದ ಮತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆಗಳಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಲಿನತೆ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಸವಕಳಿ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇವುಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಗಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಗಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಯಿಸೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಠಿಣವಾದಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹುದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನ ಮನುಕುಲ ತೆರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದಕ್ಕ ಸದ್ಯದ ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಸಿನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯೇ
ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಡಿದ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾತನಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಸಂಗೀತ ಟಕ್ಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಪರಿಸರದ ದಿನ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ನಿರ್ಣಾಯಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಬರೇ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬಾರದು, ಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಳೆಗಾಲಕ್ಕೆ 1-2 ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ನೆಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಜರುಗಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೈ ಬಿಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಜರುಗಬೇಕು. ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜೀವನ ಶೈಲಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತರದೇ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಅರ್ಥವೂ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನಮಾನಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತಾ ಇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸರ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ನೇಹಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಗಳು ಬಹಳ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಹೊಸ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನವನ್ನ, ನಾವೀನ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅದು ರಾಚುವ ಹಾಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೆಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಈ ಪೃಥ್ವಿಯ ಗಂಡಾಂತರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಸೂಚಿಸಿರುವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮರುಪೂರ್ಣ, ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮರುಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮರುಪೂರ್ಣ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಬಹಳ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಂತ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಇಡೀ ಭೂಮಿನೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ಅಂತ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಕ್ಷಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅರಿವು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಿಕರಿಂದ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮರೆತು ಮುನ್ನಡಿತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲಿಂಗರಾಜ್ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇದು ಜನತೆಯನ್ನ ತಲುಪಬೇಕಂತಕ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು ಮಹದಾಶೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಭೂಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ವಿಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಾರ್ಥಕವಾದಂತ ವಿನಾಯಕವಾದಂತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವುದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂಬರುವ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪರಿಸರ ಜಾಗೃತಿಯನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲಿನ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಂಬಲವನ್ನ, ಆಶಯವನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿರಾಮ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words regarding this competition. Now, the very important program, very important event for which all of we are waiting, that is the prize distribution ceremony. I would like to present the prize that who all have received the prize. That let us see. As far as the judges they concern, and as we have organizers, we have the opinion that all the posters are very good. All the posters are very good, but the views in which we see and we accept them, that is matters. And here I would like to say the words students, the prize winners and all the participants, they are equally must be happy for participating, for taking the participation in this event. With these words, I would like to present this prizes. First, I would like to see this. The first prize goes to name Sangeeta Takai. Sangeeta Takai with 82 points. She is from Lingaraj College, Belagavi. Her views were very good, and even the poster was very good. Then that is why we would like to congratulate her for this first prize. Then second prize is shared by two candidates. One from that Gokte College of Commerce, Neha Chogle, and second that is Simran Singh from Vasanta College for Women's, Rajghat. That is UP, Uttar Pradesh. That second prize is shared by two candidates. We would like to congratulate these two students also. Then third prize is won by Kiran, that HGL Government College or district, that is Haryana. From Haryana, this Kiran has won this third prize. I congratulate Kiran also. Congratulations for all these students and all the participants. The certificates will be issued to you through your registered mobile, and the prize money for the winners will be given to will be credited to their given bank accounts. Thank you very much. Thank you for your participation and patient listening throughout this entire session. Congratulations, one and all.